Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update, and today is Friday, a blessed one, and we're looking at Bitcoin trying to do something, right? It's been a while we haven't looked at Bitcoin doing anything at the moment, so let's talk about this one. And let's bring in the daily time frame right over there. Now, if you look at the daily, we have this pattern right now that is trying to break out. So you do have a potential W right over there, and you pretty much broke the W right now, and you're holding the W to backtest the W. Can you hold the W? Then you're bouncing off here to go back up to 21,750. And when you do that, you can see that you do have this resistance there, second resistance right here, and you could potentially make another third resistance right over there. Now, breaking this resistance and backtesting and holding that resistance is going to take you to a price target, which is going to be from the top to the bottom right here. Yeah, and that actually takes you to 25,000. And when you go there, there's another resistance. So it's funny how you're making W's and W's all the place. So if you do that one and go back up, 25,000, if you break 25,000 and backtest 25,000, boom, 30,000 comes in. So it's all about going step by step. So right now, before we even talk about the 25,000s and whatnot, let's see if you're really going to hold this W pattern right now. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame and see if you're backtesting anything. So yeah, to me right now, this probably looks like a good entry if the 4-hour time frame actually holds up. So if you're gonna hold it like this, that would be amazing. And yeah, so maybe a potential stop loss down there. Now the candle hasn't closed just yet, the retest is not confirmed. I would rather even suggest waiting for the whole day to close to confirm the retest. So that could be like 1.06% loss, and we're looking for an 8%, 7% move to the upside for Bitcoin. Now that actually looks like a very good trade to me. But if you're going to pass the retest, let's check the 4-hour time frame as well. Sorry, the 1-hour time frame. Now the 1-hour time frame looks a little bit like this, but you could even say that you potentially made a continuation pattern there. And if you make this continuation pattern, we might be looking for Bitcoin to drop all the way down to nearly 19,792, which is not good if you close near 19,792. You really need to stay above $20,000 at the moment. It's important to stay above $20,000 at the moment, because a lot of people are convinced that potentially that's your bottom. Who knows? But I'm not really convinced just yet, unless we don't really go back up to 26,000 and hold 26,000. Then I potentially could say that it's time to reverse to the upside. A lot of things are going to change. A lot of concepts are going to change. Now, people like it when, now this is a very clear breakout, okay, for the past 30 days. Now, just because you broke out doesn't mean you cannot fail the retest. What about if you just fail the retest? Have people considered that? Because tomorrow is going to be weekend, it's Saturday, so they're not good. Weekends are not really good. So maybe it's just, a time to fail the retest and go down. Like you made this W pattern, break out, but make a fake out by failing the retest, and from here, absolutely drop down. That's something to look forward to. But then again, you're still not below the support level. Or maybe someone just want to trade it, put a stop loss in 19,800, It's your luck. It's your luck. But I don't like to trade this way. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I'm not in the mode of this one right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin update right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.